We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT. Ngai Hey Joseph Ling.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
And Alice, again, this is winter time, or at least we're closing in on winter time. And I understand the Hakka have a lot of tradition during winter time, and they have this play called the Winter Preparation Play. 听说这个客家文化里面有一个还算蛮有名的一个戏，就是跟收冬有关系，就叫收冬戏。
数东西。
什么？
数东西。
数东西。Okay, that's the winter preparation play. And before we get into what this is all about, is basically, I understand, like, a lot of the tradition is based on farmers, and how they go through a whole year. And there are 4 different terms that people talk about when you go through the 4 seasons of the year. 其实呢，我们这个文化里面呢，就是有所谓春夏秋冬嘛，春耕、夏耘、秋收、冬藏。有没有感觉我今天很有气质？
有啊，懂有好摸呢。
懂有好摸呢。At least I have a lot of knowledge. I feel very knowledgeable today for some reason. Anyways, I want to introduce those terms because people say this a lot. 春耕, that means in the wintertime they do the planting. 春耕。
春耕。
春耕 okay.
耕田啊。
耕田 okay. That's planting the farm in the springtime. Then in summertime, you do the nourishing or the fertilizing. 要夏耘。
哈耘。
哈耘 okay. Then when fall comes, when autumn comes, it's time to harvest. 秋天的时候就是要丰收咯，所以是秋收。
秋收。
秋收 okay. 听起来很好笑。然后再来就是冬藏 that means during wintertime, you're going to store everything away.
冬藏
okay, so let me try this. 春耕哈耘秋收秋收冬藏 Let me do that one more time. 春耕哈耘秋收冬藏 All right, I can't do it all at once, but I hope you learned it. Those are 4 terms that we use during the whole year for a farmer, and it's quite interesting. And if you have time, you can go see the Hakka Winter Preparation Play, 收冬戏, that should be available at various Hakka villages in Taiwan. Anyways, that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张伟了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.